Good day everyone. Good day sir. We are the group 4. We are performing the last simulation, which is the pre-start checks of main propulsion engine. By the way, I am Engine Cadet Jeron Berekla together with my group mates, and they are the one who will introduce themselves.
Good day everyone, good day sir. I am Engine Cadet Oliveron from Group 4.
Good day, everyone. Good day, sir. I am Engine Cadet Quinto Edgar Paul Fernandez. I am from Group 4. Thank you.
Good day everyone. I am Engine Cadet Christian De Piedad of Group 4.
Good day, everyone. I am Engine Cadet Retiza. I am from Group 4.
Once again, I am Engine Cadet Jeron Berekla. I am the one who will perform the simulation. Let's start. To start, you need to press F1. So this is the pre-assist checks of main propulsion engine in simulation 7. So first step, we need to go to process directory and MD12. We need to open this bulb, and we need to open this so that it will have the lube oil, and filter 1, and after we need to acknowledge all the alarms, acknowledge, so that there will be no noisy. We need to wait at least 45%. So let's wait. So as you can see, it normalized. So we need to wait it until it reach until 45%. So in this part, so let's wait. Let's wait for a time, since it is important uh, in this case that we are reach the standard temperature. Then we reach, and we need to close this. After, uh, let's check this part and process directory. We need to check if everything is okay. So as you can see, it is high. So we need to open this. So that it, and then auto. Then we'll go back so that this part will not be low temperature. Let's go to process directory 56, 58, 58 in this part. So we need to open this pump, and we need to remote. Go back to MD2. Oh, as you can see, it is normal, unlike before that it is low. Then we need to close, then go back again to 20. We need to engage and start. So we need to wait a seconds. After this, we go back to the process directory. 11, and we need to turn on the filter one, this part, and this part. These two filtered, and we need to turn on this bulb in the upper right side, and then open this valve, and then acknowledge the alarms. Then go here, we need to check, and so as you can see, we need to set this part, and wait for the alarms. So before we go here, we need to set 0. We will need to drain this part. We need to open this, so it has color blue and red, so we need to wait until it will go down into 0. So as you can see, it is lower the temperature, and we need to set it into 0. So we need to close, we need to go to MD1, open this bulb, we need to open this bulb, this pump, this valve drain, and turn off. Then we need to go 82, and pump 1 will open, and we need to drain also. After draining, we need to close this part, and we need to go process directory, and go to MD10, MD4. It is okay. So as you can see, it is there, then turn off. So as you can see, it is red sign, so we need to change it over. We need to turn the first and close the third. So before, we need to acknowledge, and open this valve, close this pump, and we need to observe first this lower part, O2, O2, and turn this valve. We need to go MD59. So that start air system, we need to turn this 3 bulb, Add remote. We need to drain this bulb. We need to drain all this bulb and close as it reach into 0. We need to turn off and turn on. We need to set it into 0. We need to drain all this water supply, air system. Then after, we need to turn close as it reach into 0. And this part, it is uh, lowering the air service. We need to go MD04, MD102. We need to set into auto. MD60, so we need to turn off as it reach the 0. So in this part, we need to open all these 3 and go back to MD20. So in this part, after 15 minutes, we need to stop and disengage since it is part of the process of the simulation. So we need to observe time from time to time since we don't have the we don't have know that we are going to stop. There is a process directory. So MD58. So process. So 97, 98. So we need to go first 97. So as you can see, it is off. So we need to turn on and we need to click start. We need to start, and next is we need to go 98. And also we need to turn on and start the mooring winches. And then we need to go back MD MD20. We need to stop and disengage. So we need to turn it off, this 3 volt. So we can use also the down page in the keyboard. So MD102, 104 rather. So slow down. As you can see, it is running. Then that indicates good. So we need to go process overview. We need to turn it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Next, we need to go to process directory and 104. So we need to wait. So we need to set into 20. We need to follow until it reach where it stopped. So it's good. Then after, in the lower part, so it is good. So we need to wait. So as you can see, it runs the RPM. So we need to go back into 0. You need to go the bridge, which is the MD10. We need to click this, the bridge part. Then we need to observe. Then go to MD12. So as you can see, everything is normal. Everything is okay. So there is no alarms, there's no red signals, there's no high and low temperature. So we need to double check all the systems if we are follow. So okay. So in this part, we need to wait until it normal. Need to go restart system. So everything is okay, as you can see. Need to go MD18. So it is okay. So there is no alarms and signals that indicates that it is well prepared and well good function, since we follow all the instructions and the proper standard of uh, doing the simulation. So everything is okay, and We need to go. We need to go this process directory, and as you can see, we perform well, and we're just waiting for the time it ends since it has time limits. So as you can see, so it's from structure, so 20 minutes is already consumed, and now we press OK, and we'll check the score, and and this will end of our simulation. Thank you for watching. God bless.